Would you believe this beautiful house at my back is only 19,000 monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig. At ang maganda dito, along highway siya at complete amenities. Kung gusto mo yung single attached house na hindi nakakabutas ng bulsa, ito ang marerecommend ko sa iyo. This is a Arnica model na may lot area na 80 square meter at floor area na 60 square meter na may maluwag na parking space na kasyang-kasya ang SUV mo. Pwede ka mamili ng finish ng interior. Kung gusto mo yung ikaw yung magde-design, perfect ang bare finish para sa'yo. At kung gusto mo naman yung tiles of your choice na lang ang ilalagay, perfect naman ang semi-complete finish para sa'yo. Na may partition na gawa sa semento with ceiling at 2 bedrooms. So if you're interested about this property, kindly message us. We are on Facebook Messenger, Viber, and WhatsApp. This is Justin Spilimbergo, your licensed real estate agent, and let's unlock your dream home.